Got it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, and I want to show you what we've been able to do in just one day. We brought in this beautiful design that allowed for us to be able to put in the lower pedalums along with our ligustrums, and the reason why we did that is because we needed a way in order to be able to waterproof the landscape. So a lot of times you'll see in most homes, you'll see either pine straw or mulch, and what happens is that water begins to get into the bare dirt, and as it does so, it begins to provide the process in which your foundation starts to crack. And so what we do is we come up with a solution for that by being able to put in our erosion control fabric and our decorative gravel. We're able to suck that water up and ensure that it never makes it back into your foundation area. To help you better understand what that erosion control fabric looks like, here it is right here. It is a nylon type fabric that doesn't allow for any water to be able to get into the bare dirt. In addition, we also did that over here on this side of the landscape, giving this customer back the landscape in the most exceptional fashion. Not only were we able to solve this customer's landscape by being able to put in the decorative gravel by their flower bed, we also took care of this amazing island installation that allowed for them to be able to see the value that we're going to be able to provide for them by being able to have this decorative gravel in the erosion control. They're never going to have to worry about the landscape again. Now, we did do a lot of trimming up of this landscape. We brought in over 15 tons of decorative gravel, brought in over 25 plants, and then in addition to that, we tied in over 200 foot of gutter downspout piping, and we put in over 4 pallets of Zeon Zoysia Sod. Now, on this side of the landscape, it was really just to keep it almost exactly the same as what we got going throughout the entire landscape. So that theme, that landscape theme of purple and yellow with the decorative gravel is something that you're going to continue to see throughout this entire landscape, because it said that that's what the customer wanted, but it also said that that's what was required in order for us to be able to provide this customer with a solution that's going to last a lifetime. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to be putting that same type of planting system in down by the mailbox, and it all has brought itself together in an exceptional fashion to be able to give this customer the ultimate outdoor landscape transformation. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscape. We make dirt look good like you never thought we could.